Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're going to unbox a tool that's seriously changing how we work, Microsoft 365 Copilot.
So, is your next coworker actually going to be an AI? You've probably heard the buzz, seen the headlines, but what is this thing really? And is it ready to join your team? Let's dive in and find out.
All right, we're going to tackle this in 5 key parts. We'll start with the biggest question of all. What exactly is this thing?
Okay, first things first, let's get clear on what we're talking about. Because not all copilots are created equal. And trust me, the difference is everything. So think of M365 Copilot less as just an app and more like an orchestrator. It takes these super powerful large language models like GPT-4 and combines them with something really special, your organization's private data. It does this through what Microsoft calls the graph, which, is basically the connective tissue for all your emails, your files, your meetings. And that right there is its secret sauce. It's the context that makes it so incredibly powerful.
And this is maybe the most important thing to get. The free Copilot you see online, it knows the public internet. Great for asking about, historical facts or writing a poem. But the M365 Copilot, the paid one, it knows your business. It's plugged directly into your apps, working securely with your private company data. That's not just an upgrade, it's a whole different ballgame.
Okay, so that's the what. But how does this actually change your workday? What does it do? Let's take a look, app by app. Okay, let's start with Microsoft Word. Imagine having a co-writer that never gets tired, never needs a coffee break. You could literally give it a one-sentence prompt, and bam, it drafts an entire project proposal. Or you got that massive 50-page report you've been dreading? Just tell Copilot to summarize it. You'll get the key takeaways in, seconds.
Now, PowerPoint. This is where things get kind of magical. There's this feature called doc-to-deck creation. You can point it at that Word document we were just talking about and just tell it to build a presentation. And it doesn't just copy-paste the text. No. It creates slides, it finds relevant stock photos, it even writes out speaker notes for you. This turns hours of work into minutes. Seriously.
And for anyone who gets a little nervous looking at a giant spreadsheet, well, in Excel, Copilot is a lifesaver. You don't have to be a formula wizard anymore. You can just ask it questions in plain English like, hey, show me our sales trends by quarter. It finds the story hidden in all that data and instantly generates charts to make it obvious. It's all about finding insights without the headache.
Let's talk about Outlook. The place where productivity goes to die. Well, for anyone drowning in emails, which is, let's be real, all of us, Copilot is like your personal communications director. It can take a ridiculously long email thread and just summarize the whole thing for you. It'll even draft replies, and you can tell it, make this sound more formal, or nope, make it casual. Getting to inbox 0 might actually be possible now.
And then there's Microsoft Teams. Copilot here is basically the perfect meeting assistant, the one who takes flawless notes. If you show up late, you can literally just ask it, what did I miss? And it'll catch you up. And when the meeting's over, boom, it generates a list of action items and decisions made so nothing gets forgotten. It's pretty incredible.
Okay, so the features are clearly impressive, but how do you actually, work with it? This is a pretty big shift. You're not just a user clicking buttons anymore, you're more like the director of the whole show. The whole process is really a creative partnership. You start with a command, a prompt, and the cool part is you can tell it to pull from all different places. It gives you a first draft, and then you start the real work. You use the sidebar to tweak it, refine it, maybe add your company's branding. It's an iterative dance. You're always in control.
And this is where you really see the power. Look at this prompt. You're asking it to prepare you for a meeting. But you're not just asking for one thing. You're telling it, summarize emails, look at a contract in OneDrive, and check a project status in a Teams chat. It pulls all those threads together from different apps to give you one single unified briefing. That's way beyond what a simple chatbot can do.
Okay, this all sounds amazing, right? But now for the question that's on every business leader's mind. What's it going to cost me to hire this AI assistant?
All right, here it is. It's $30 per user per month. And it's important to note this is a paid add-on. It's not just bundled into your standard M365 subscription.
Right, so just to be super clear, this $30 is on top of whatever you're already paying for your Microsoft 365 license. You have to have one of those prerequisite plans first. And this is key. It's usually an annual commitment that you pay for up front. So you're looking at about $360 per user for the whole year.
Okay, let's switch gears to what might be the most critical topic of all.
especially for any business. Security. Is your data safe? This is where we really have to dig into the fine print. So Microsoft's big promise here is something they call the tenant boundary. Think of it like a digital fortress around your company's data. It's a contractual guarantee from them that your stuff, your prompts, your documents, your results, is not being used to train the big public AI models. Your data stays your data, isolated within your company's environment.
But, and this is a huge but, here's the paradox. While your data is safe from the outside world, the #1 risk with Copilot actually comes from the inside. See, the AI is designed to only show you information you already have permission to see. The problem is, a lot of companies have really messy internal permissions, and Copilot is scarily good at finding things.
Just look at this example. It's a little chilling, but it makes the point perfectly. What happens if an employee asks, "Are there layoffs coming?" Well, if someone somewhere accidentally saved a file called Layoff Plans 2024 to a shared folder that everyone can access, Copilot will find it, and it will answer the question. It doesn't break permissions, it just exposes how broken they might already be.
So, what does this all mean? The big takeaway on trust is this. You absolutely have to review its work. The AI can make stuff up, they call it hallucinating, so always treat its output like a very, very good first draft, not the final word. Remember, it's an assistant, not an autopilot. You're still the one flying the plane. And one more thing on trust, Microsoft actually offers what they call copyright indemnity, which means if Copilot generates something that gets you sued for copyright infringement, Microsoft will step in and defend you. That's a pretty big deal.
So when you put it all together, Microsoft 365 Copilot is, without a doubt, a huge leap forward in productivity. It's a genuinely powerful tool, but its success, and more importantly its safety, really depends on one thing: having your digital house in order first. So the real question isn't just, are you ready for an AI assistant? It's, is your data ready for one? And that's the key thing to think about.